Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Asif Randoms. Today I will teach you how to perform ping and what is ping and how to perform it on our laptop. Okay, let's get started. For ping we need to open command prompt. We need to open command prompt. So what is ping? Ping actually a method of checking the computer is connected to a network or not. And in ping we can know how fast the response from the server or from our network our computer is connected. So let's get started how to perform the ping. For ping we need a ping command. So ping command actually consists on ping number, like host number. Every server have one host number. So here I will give you one example so you can learn how to perform ping. Okay, just typing ping then 8.8.8.8. This is just for example. You guys can put your host number or your server number, so you can know. Then you need to put number of ping, how many times you want to perform, 10 times, 5 times, 20 times. I will perform 20 times. Then press enter. You guys can see the ping is running, and after 20 attempts the ping will stop automatically, and then we can see the results after 20 attempts. If you are new on my channel, subscribe and like my channel and share my video to your friends. You guys can see ping has done. There is no loss. Packet sent 20 times, received 20 times. It's mean there is no loss, and our network is giving response. The average ping is 48 ms. It's mean okay. So you guys can see. I hope you like my video. See you in next video.